In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a QuickBooks Online subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as you complete the cancellation, all in a clear and stress-free way. Start by going to QuickBooks Online and opening your company's dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where QuickBooks keeps account-level options. Clicking this icon opens a menu with several sections related to your company, tools, and your profile. From that menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to the area where your current plan, billing details, and renewal information are displayed. It's the central place for managing your subscription status and payment information, so if you're ever unsure where to find cancellation options, this is the right page. On the Subscriptions and Billing page, you'll see your active QuickBooks Online plan. Look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription. The wording may vary slightly, but it will be clearly associated with your plan. Click Cancel Subscription to start the process. QuickBooks will typically walk you through a brief confirmation flow. You may be asked to confirm your choice, optionally share a reason, and review what will happen after cancellation. Go ahead and follow the prompts on screen and confirm to finalize. A few helpful notes as you proceed. When you cancel, charges usually stop at the end of your current billing period, and you often retain access until that date. After that, your data may remain available in read-only form for a limited time, depending on your region and plan. If you change your mind later, you can typically reactivate from the same subscriptions and billing area. Also, if you manage multiple companies, make sure you're in the correct company file before canceling, since each company's subscription is managed separately. If you're part of a team, only users with the appropriate permissions will see the subscriptions and billing option, so confirm that you're using an admin-level account. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, keep an eye out for an on-screen confirmation and, in many cases, an email acknowledging the change. It's a good practice to note your final access date so you know exactly when your subscription benefits will end. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks Online, opened the Settings menu, gone into Subscriptions and Billing, and selected Cancel Subscription. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.